morning, crafty friends. Welcome to our Pastelloween YT Hop week 2 with Betty Scrap Passion 01, who is our wonderful and amazing host. So if you have not had a chance to check out week 1, please do. I will have all the links down below for you. And let's go ahead and get into what I made. So I made this cute little candy box, and here is the die real quick. Let me show you. I don't remember the company that made it, but if I find it, I will put it down in the links below. I just threw away the wrapping. I apologize, guys, but I will definitely find it for you and list it. So this box measures 2 inches by 2 inches. And on the bottom of this, it's 2 inches by 3.5. So 3.5 by 2, basically. Really super duper cute. And it fits a lot of candy inside here. And I already got some in here. So let's kind of go into what I made here. So first of all, I want to give a shout out to Crafting with Liller. She has some really super cute Craft with Me projects. And she especially has amazing Pasteloween ones. So those that's how I found her. So she made this really super cute lace coffin tag, and so I wanted to make one. She sewed hers, and I don't have a sewing machine, but I just went ahead and I used art glitter glue, and it dried clear just fine. So really super easy to make. I will have her YouTube video down below, and I'll put that at the top of the description box so that you know to go to that to get this little tutorial. As for everything else, I did use some Michael's scatter. It was either Michael's or Dollar Tree, okay, from last year. And all I did was take some of my paper that I used and cut it out, or traced it, cut it out, and glued it on here. And the paper collection that I used was Kawaii Dream, and this is in the Hot Buy paper pads at Michael's. I really got this for under $5, okay? So it really works well for this particular Pasteloween, okay? Also, these little doodly doos right here, these doodly doos embellishments, are actually from K & Company, and I got those several years back, and our Hobby Lobby was clearancing them out for $1, and so I bought as many as I possibly could because y'all know I love some Halloween. This little spider web down in here, and I know you can barely see it, and I have this glued down. That is actually probably from Photo Play. And this little jeweled spider is from Michael's, and then I just added a little tool. And then again, that little candy corn is from K & Company too. So I just wanted to share this with you, and I hope that you've enjoyed this, and I hope it inspires you to make some Pasteloween crafts. And definitely don't forget to check out everybody's YouTube page. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video and theirs as well. Don't forget to comment, especially, and on some of them they have kind of like secret little passwords or something like that to use, so that you will be counted in for their prize, okay? So just don't forget about that, because you definitely want to win, okay? Also, check out our Instagram participant, Vanessa at CraftedV, and I will have her link down below. And so definitely check her out because she's next on the list. Thank you guys, and have a wonderful and fabulous day, and I will see y'all next week for week 3. Bye.